Unveiling the Truth, Understanding in Reality. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're diving into a commonly used English phrase that often trips up learners, in reality. Whether you're watching this because you're curious or because you need to master this for an English exam or conversation, you're in the right place. Let's unpack the meaning of in reality and explore how to use it in everyday conversation. When we say in reality, we're referring to what is actually true or what the situation is, as opposed to what is believed, perceived, or imagined. It's like drawing back the curtains to reveal what is really happening behind the scenes. It's used to contrast an idealistic or mistaken notion with the actual facts. Examples in sentences: you may think he's happy because he's always smiling, but in reality, he's quite sad. The movie made it look easy to become a champion, but in reality, it takes years of hard work. In reality can be used in various contexts to clarify a situation or correct a misunderstanding. In formal conversations, in everyday chats, in reality helps to express your true feelings or to clarify a situation. I know you think this game is easy, but in reality, it's quite challenging. Formal discourse. In more formal or professional settings, in reality, can be used to introduce a fact or detail that may be surprising or overlooked. The company seemed successful, but in reality, it was facing bankruptcy. Academic writing. In essays or academic work, in reality, is used to introduce a contrast with a commonly held belief or theoretical position. Many believe that technology always improves our lives, but in reality, it can sometimes complicate them. When using in reality, remember that it often introduces a statement that contradicts the previous one. It's important not to use it when you are simply adding information that is in agreement. Incorrect. He's a great player, and in reality, he's also a good coach. Correct. He seems like a reserved person, but in reality, he's quite outgoing. And that wraps up our journey through the phrase, in reality. I hope this video has illuminated the true meaning and use of this phrase and that you'll feel confident using it in your next English conversation or writing. Keep practicing, and in reality, you'll find that your English fluency is improving every day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content.